Hello? Hello?
Zapper?
Who is this?
Bruce. From the day Jennifer was shot.
Bruce. Where were you? The police were looking for you. You were a suspect until the real guys showed up and turned themselves in.
I'm sorry I had to leave. Look, I have a rare condition. It's in my blood.
And you're worried that Jen has caught it.
Get her a blood test immediately. And Zapper, do it in secret.
Hey, Zapper!
God, Jen. It's so good to see you alive and in one piece again.
Don't hug her too hard. She's still got some recovery to do.
Jill, you worry too much. I'm feeling pretty good, actually.
Sounds like cause for a celebration. How about I cook us up some backyard barbecue?
It's on fire.
Yeah, it's on fire.
It's actually on fire.
Oh yeah, I know what I'm doing.
You sure?
Oh yeah, this is completely normal.
Somehow this doesn't look completely normal.
It doesn't, yeah.
No, they taste better this way, trust me.
Okay, yeah.
Burning. But not in a good barbecue way.
No, it gets,
Smoky.
it absorbs into the burger, and
Yeah.
then it
Have you
flavor to it.
ever
Yeah.
actually cooked burgers before?
No, I all the time. Trust me, this is how they taste better this way.
Okay.
Very
yeah.
secure, I feel, right now.
It gives it a good, we call
Smoky
them.
flavor.
Smoky.
What are you doing now?
I'm
Is that
cooking the
plastic?
burgers.
Yeah, I think that's rubber. That melts in fire.
Best burgers you ever tasted.
Really? Can't wait.
I think we'll be waiting for a while.
I do too. Long time in the park.
So is it still on fire?
Cheeseburger in paradise.
Sounds good.
I see your legendary cooking skills haven't been exaggerated.
I think that's why they call him Zapper, because of his skill using the microwave.
You ladies laugh, but these will be the best cheeseburgers you ever tasted.
Oh, got any ketchup?
I got barbecue sauce. It's barbecue.
You don't put barbecue sauce on a hamburger.
I do.
Jen, we need ketchup, step.
I'll go.
No, you keep forgetting. You just got shot. Give me your car keys. Give me. I'm gonna get a load of groceries. This barbecue needs medical attention. Stat. I shouldn't leave you alone with him.
Why not?
You know he's got a crush on you.
He does?
Oh, please. Like you never noticed? Well, I mean, if he shaved off that mustache, maybe he'd be all right.
Jill, he's just 19.
So?
He's still a kid, for Christ's sake. So come on. No.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing? was trying to steal your car. Jeez, I guess you're not safe anywhere.
No, you're not. Jill, wait. She's got a bad feeling.
I'll bet. Have fun with Zapper. I'll be back in a sec. No, Jill, wait. No! No, Jill, wait! Jill, wait!
Keep forgetting I've recently been shot.
I don't think this lady understands who she's dealing with. Well, when her brakes don't work, I guess she'll get the message.